I'm a big believer in a salad a day, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna make my little improvised one right now. So what we have here is our heirloom ocean grown salad mix. This is our butter crunch. And I had some peas left over from dinner, so I'm throwing those in. I'm throwing in some tomatoes that I have laying around, and then one of my favorite things I love to eat is raw mozzarella cheese. Now the other thing that I'm going to be adding to this, it's heating up right now, a little Breville, which I highly recommend these little small conventional ovens, is some grass-fed skirt steak and a little sweet potato. And I'm going to doll that sweet potato up with either some sour cream or some butter. But that's basically it, guys. Big believer in a salad a day. And the reason why is just to get that good fiber in the belly. But I also like to incorporate animal products into my salad, and specifically some carbohydrates. And the reason I like to do that is because I have a super fast metabolism and I work really hard. So I need to be putting fats, carbohydrates, sugars, all protein, all the macronutrients I like to have in almost every single meal. Now, if I was doing a fast for a certain reason or a cleanse, then obviously I wouldn't do that. But for the majority of my days, I love having each one of those quadrants in every single one of my meals. I try not to stay, I'm gonna do this much more of this one or that one. I get a lot of questions about that, like, should I go keto? Should I do this? Should I do that? And the answer to your question is probably not, but it's all about your context and what you're going through. So anyways, just wanted to share this quick little recipe with you guys. It's quick, it's simple. I hope it encourages you guys to learn to improvise. Use what you've got, you know. You'll probably make some stuff that tastes better than others, but at the end of the day, you're cleaning up your pantry, you're cleaning out your fridge, and as a society, we throw away so much food. The last thing we want to be doing, especially as health nuts over here, like all of us, is throwing away organic food or growing away, you know, farm fresh heirloom produce. That's the last thing we want to do, right? We want to eat all that. So again, I hope it encourages you to improvise. I hope it looks tasty to you as well. Please like and subscribe if you like the video, and comment below if you've got any questions for us. All right, thank you guys so much for watching.